Hi friends, welcome. We'll see how to generate a video of a 1 minute duration in a slab of 8 seconds each and by using Google AI Studio. Initially, we'll create a start to design a prompt where we will give only the total sequence means starting and ending. Then we'll use chat GPT to break it up in 8 different prompts, and that prompts will use to generate all the 8 videos, and then we'll put it together. So the breakup of the prompts will do by using chat GPT and final generation through AI Studio. We'll learn all about this. This is our main prompt. This we have given as input or prompt to our chat GPT to give us 8 prompts by breaking the sequence. So we asked it that give me 8 sequential steps prompts to generate one 60-second video. Each step should be generate one part of the total story. So the starting or the first step should be one fighter plane take off from a runway over one naval ship, and the last step is the fighter plane missile hits one more warship. Now using these two ends, it has to create 8. So it has given us the 8 prompts. Now let's see what prompts it has given and how the videos were. This is our first prompt. A slick fighter jet sits on the bow of a dawn-lit naval aircraft carrier, engine roaring and afterburners firing as it races down the runway and lifts up over the deck. In the second prompt, the jet ascends sharply against a pastel sky, banking smoothly to reveal the vast ocean below and the carrier sinking into the distance. Somehow this was looking okay. Now the third prompt. In the cockpit view, the pilot HUD looks into an enemy warship on the horizon, crosshair zoom in and distance and speed metrics ticking up. Here it is appearing as if it is floating, but that was not the case. We are on a fighter aircraft. Now let's go to the fourth one. This is the outside shot. The fighter engages afterburners, flames trailing as it is accelerates towards the target, slicing through wisp of cloud. This is fine. Now the fifth prompt was the jet executes a high G turn to dodge an anti-aircraft barrage, flares bursting in the distance while the enemy ship's gun fires skyward. So this is somewhat okay. Now the prompt 6 is somewhat not in the sequence. It shows how a pilot checks his missiles. Close up on the wing pylon as a smart missile arrangement lights up. The pilot flips the launch switch and the missile rails arcs open. So this was the sixth. Now the seventh one is a bright, flashy and smoky plumps as the missile streaks away from the jet, leaving a glowing contrail as it homes in on a second warship downrange. So it's targeting and it is going. Now the last prompt. It is in a slow motion. The missile slams into the deck of the distant warship, triggering a massive firewall and shockwave that rips through the hull. We used our AI Studio, so you can see here we are in the generate all the left side, all the options are there with us, and we have used the generate video, generate media inside that generate media. Then we are now on a video generation mode. So create clips and animated image using generate video. So we click this and we are here. Now we can place our prompts here and hit the run to generate it. Now based on our uses, it may give us a ask us to wait or try after some time and all. Let's just try once. Yeah, it has taken it, but note that what you have used is wrongly is 16:9 ratio, but actually what you have generated is in a vertical concept, so it is 9:16 ratio aspect ratio. You can, based on your requirement, you can keep on changing it. Video 2 and the number of results we kept it as 1. Video duration as 8 seconds. Frame rate and resolution, it is not yet available, it is coming soon or it is showing. So this is how from here we have downloaded our videos to our local system, or even we can push it to our drive also. If you are already logged in and you are in your drive, the videos will be uploaded and stored in the drive, so you can access it anywhere. That's the one advantage of using drive instead of downloading to the local. Now here it is generated. Let's just see this. Here it is. You can see this. This is little better than the what actually we have used. Now let's large view we'll see. Let's run 8-second video. That's all friends. Hope you have enjoyed this video generation process, and you can try on your use different prompts to generate different videos, even the marketing campaign and all many things you can generate it. And I have used a free account of Google. If you are a heavy user, then you can migrate to a paid account and use it in so more features and more number of videos it will allow you to generate, so based on your requirement. So to learn all this and to understand the concept, please, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding such tutorials to our channel. And please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.